Hello everyone. Now we are going to cover 24 to 31st current affairs video October part 1. Disarmament week 24 to 30 October. Floby's brand ambassador My Bill book Manoj Vajpayee. Floby's brand ambassador My Bill book Manoj Vajpayee. India Post Payment Bank HDFC Bank Home Loans. India Post Payment Bank HDFC Home Loans. India Post Payment Bank HDFC Home Loans. 15th edition Sunburn Festival December. 15th edition Sunburn Festival December. Razorpay launch tokenization solution. Razorpay token HQ. Phoenix Parentoco CCI for 100% acquisition of US-based Parexel International Corporation. Phoenix Parentoco CCI for 100% acquisition of US-based Parexel International Corporation. Nagaland hosts South Asian Federation Cross Country Championship. Nagaland hosts South Asian Federation Cross Country Championship and 56th National Cross Country Championship in 2022. State level sugarcane competition UP. State level sugarcane competition UP. Fabio Quartararo, first Frenchman to win MotoGP. Fabio to win MotoGP. Bollywood superstar Rajnikant Dadasaheb Phalke Award. Rajnikant Dadasaheb Phalke Award. First Devika Rani. Shaukat Mirziyoyev, second year term as President of Uzbekistan. Shaukat, second year 5 term as the President of Uzbekistan. AU Small Finance Bank launch QR Quick Response Code Soundbox. Quick Response Code Soundbox. AU Small Finance Bank. Union Bank of India sign an MOU with CDAC to launch cyber security awareness. Union Bank of India sign an MOU with CDAC to launch cyber security awareness. Writing for my life, Ruskin Bond. Writing for my life, Ruskin Bond. Shuchi ITO MD and MNC Toshiba India. MD of MNC Toshiba India. Suchio. Mr. Modi attended 18th Asian India Summit and 16th East Asia Summit at Brunei. 18th Asia India Summit and 16th East Asia Summit at Brunei. NARCL bad loans. National Asset Reconstruction Capitalization Limited. High Speed Expandable Aerial Net Target. High Speed Expandable Aerial Target HEAT DRDO Abhyas. Farizabad Railway Junction renamed to Ayodhya Kant by UP. Farizabad Railway Junction renamed as Ayodhya Kant by UP. UN Charter 76th year. ECI Garuda Digital Mapping for all polling station. BPCL launch You Feel. Anurag Thakur launch My Parking app. BPCL launch You Feel. Anurag Thakur launch My Parking app. Shipping Ministry My Port app. Shipping Ministry launch My Port apps. Government Waste to Health iDrone Center. Center government signs share purchase agreement. With Tata Sons. Air India purchase 18,000 crore. Kerala city with most sustainable transport system. World Polio Day 24th October. Election Commission Sushil Chandra launch Garuda app. Sushil Chandra launch Guard app. ITBP Rising Day 24th October 1962. ITBP Rising Day 24th October 1962. Modi inaugurate the Infosys Foundation Mode 806 belated Vishram Sadam at New Delhi. Modi inaugurated Infosys Foundation made 806 belated Vishram Sadan at New Delhi. New Delhi. 3 new fish species Arunachal Pradesh. 3 new fish species Arunachal Pradesh. Aburi univa pali. Aburi univa pali. I have written short form here. Modi launch PMASBY Swasthya Bharat Yojana Varanasi. Modi launch PMASBY Swasthya Bharat Yojana from Varanasi, rupees 16,180 crore outlay till 25-26. Future Generali India Insurance Company, Bank Assurance Bank of India. Future Generali Bank of India. Victor Alexen Denmark Open Badminton. Victor Alexen win Denmark Open Badminton. DRDO Abbas Inertial Navigation System. DRDO Abbas. Victor Alexen Denmark Open Badminton. Kuzengal Oscar 2022. Shuttering Awareness Day 22nd October. Stuttering Awareness Day 22nd October. President of World Association of Investment Promotion Agencies India. President of World Association of Investment Promotion Agencies India. International Day of Diplomats 24th October. World Development Information Day. World Development Information Day 24th October. Rajiv Gauba head the Empowered Group of Secretaries. EGOS Empowered Group of Secretary. Rajiv Gauba. Monitor the Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Rajiv Gauba. Ministry of Skill Development Enterprises launched second phase. Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship for 2 years plus IIM. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship launched second phase. Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship for 2 years IIM. IFTF Pakistan at grey list. FATF Pakistan grey list 34 action plan. Mandate criminalities. Turkey, Jordan, Mali. Dharmendra Pradhan, head of National Steering Committee for Nipun Bharat mission set up by Department of School Education and Literacy. Dharmendra Pradhan, head of National Steering Committee for Nipun Bharat mission set up by Department of School Education and Literacy. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana insurance scheme for healthcare workers fighting COVID-19 180 days. World Meteorological Organization State of the Climate in Asia 2020 report. China suffered 238 billion cyclone floods etc. China caused around 238 billion during because of this cyclone floods. China launched Shenzhen 2021 to test and verify space debris mitigation technologies. China launched Shenzhen 2021 for what purpose? Space debris mitigation technologies. ECGS PM Gati Shakti Cabinet Secretary. We have already seen this news. ECGS PM Gati Shakti. We have already seen news here. Rajiv Gauba. ECGS PM Gati Shakti Cabinet Secretary. Kumar Mangalam Birla investment in UAE's first digital only independent bank. Kumar Mangalam Birla. Investment in UAE's first digital-only independent bank. UAE's first digital-only independent bank, ZAND. Kumar Mangalam Birla. Atal Innovation Mission launch DigiBook Investment for You. Atal Innovation Mission DigiBook. Atal Innovation Mission launch DigiBook Innovation for You. Jayanagar Kurta Rail Link Nepal from Ircon International Limited. Jayanagar Kurta Rail Link. Jayanagar Kurta Rail Link Nepal from Ircon International Limited. Report from pollution to solution. Report from pollution to solution. A global consignment of marine pollution, litter and plastic. Report released by UNEP. Pollution to solution. This report is released by UNEP. Plastic waste aquatic ecosystem is projected to triple by 2040. Plastic waste aquatic ecosystem is projected to triple by 2040. Marine litter accounts 85% of total marine waste. October 23, International Snow Leopard Day. October 2030, International Snow Leopard Day. 6th edition of Status of Coral Reefs of the World 2020. Report by Global Coral Reef Monitoring Network. 14% of the coral lost in 10 years due to global warming. Indus Valley Site World Oldest Dockyard, Lothal. Indus Valley Site World Oldest Dockyard, Lothal. Deep benefit under PM Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana ₹2 lakh. Death benefit under PM Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana ₹2 lakh. Boundary held from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh 3488 km. Boundary length from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh 3488 km. Bipolar air disinfectant and purifier. Bipolar air disinfectant and purifier made by Hyderabad based Jaitra Devices and System LLP, launched by Union Minister of Tourism and Culture. Krishan Reddy Secondary Krishnan Reddy. Bipolar air disinfectant and purifier. Boundary length from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh 3488 km. I think we have seen this. Bipolar air disinfectant and purifier made by Hyderabad based Jaitra Device and System LLP, launched by Union Minister Tourism and Culture Minister Kishan Reddy at Telangana. Microsoft launch 10-week initiative Startup AI Technology. Microsoft launch 10-week initiative Startup AI Technology. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy. Haryana. Drone destination. Drone training in state. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy, Hyderabad. IAC Vikrant Cochin Shipyard Limited. IAC Vikrant Cochin Shipyard Limited. Under Scale-Based Regulation SBR of NBFC, RBI has categorized NBFC into 4 categories. IPL team compete 10. 2022 total IPL team will be 10. Zohari Ritu Menon. ZOHRAI Ritu Menon. First Indian scientist Joseph A. Cushman Award 2022 Rajiv Nigam. First Indian scientist Joseph Cushman Award Rajiv Nigam. G7 1975 7 European Union. 7 countries. G7 founded in 1975 and 7 countries: Iran, France, Australia, Germany, Italy, Canada, Japan. Saranjit Singh pass away hockey. Saranjit Singh pass away hockey. Sunil Paliwal, chairperson of Chennai Port Trust. Sunil Paliwal, chairperson of Chennai Port Trust. Union Cabinet has approved additional hike in DA and DR for central government employees and pensioners. Overall DA and DA rate 31% from July 1st, 2022. G7 Digital Trade Principle. G7 Trade Summit at London. Global minimum tax rate at 15% on MNCs. 15% tax rate, minimum 15% tax rate, MNCs. 1 crore ceiling limit by RBI for financing subscription for IPOs. 1 crore ceiling limit set up by RBI. 1 crore ceiling limit set up by RBI for financing subscription to IPO of NBFCs with reference to April 1st, 22nd per borrower. ICICI Bank became India's 5th most valued bank. ICICI Bank India's become 5th most valued bank, while top Reliance. 7th BRICS Communication Minister Devanshish Chauhan, Communication Minister. First state to implement GST, Assam. FIFA latest ranking, Belgium top. Niti Aayog launch Digibook Innovation for You. Niti Aayog launch Digibook Innovation for You. CDAC, Pune, Maharashtra. Kamala Harris Phenomenal Woman. Kamala Harris Phenomenal Woman. Chidanand Rajghatta. Indian football team, FIFA's latest ranking 106. FIFA India's rank. Indian Navy has organized the offshore sailing regatta at Kochi to Goa Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration. Russia shooting of a film in International Space Station. Russia planning to shoot film in International Space Station. Maldives sign an MOU with Controller and Auditor General of India. Maldives MOU signed with Controller and Auditor General of India to strengthen the auditing process in public financing. 51st Dadasaheb Phalke Rajnikant. Ministry of Tourism Eco Circuit as one of the 15th thematic circuit. Ministry of Tourism Eco Circuit. Swadesh Darshan Scheme. China beat Japan Uber Cup. Women badminton, Thomas men's badminton. Uber Cup is a women's badminton and Thomas Cup is a men's badminton. China beat Japan in Uber Cup. Formula 1 US Max Verstappen. First Black Woman Peace Prize of the German book trade. Tisti Dangarem Bega. Tisti. Fourth General Assembly of International Solar Alliance has decided to achieve $1 trillion amount of global investment in solar energy. Fourth Energy Assembly of International Solar Alliance has decided to achieve $1 trillion amount of global investment in solar energy till 2030. President of Broadcasting and Digital Foundation, K. Madhavan President. HDFC Bank CCI approved acquiring 4.99% share of HDFC Ergo General Insurance. HDFC Bank, HDFC Ergo General Insurance, 4.99% stake. India's first green pay ahead market. India's first green pay ahead market was launched, trading facilities renewable energy. Ramnath Krishnan, MD and CEO of rating agency ICRA. Ramnath Krishna, MD and CEO of rating agency ICRA, and Shivaraman, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Indigo launch a co-branded credit card, Ka Ching. Kotak Mahindra Bank plus Indigo. Kotak Mahindra Bank plus Indigo, Ka Ching. Australia, United Kingdom launch infrastructure for resilient island state initiative on COP26. Australia, United Kingdom, COP26 launch infrastructure for resilient island and state initiative. France launch a military commitment satellite named Cygnus 4A. France launch a military communication satellite. France launch a military communication satellite named Cygnus 4A. USA successfully tested hypersonic missile fifth time more than the sound. USA successfully tested hypersonic missile. ICICI Lombard General Insurance launch BFIT, a scheme to provide cashless OPD medical services to its customer. ICICI Lombard General Insurance launch BFIT scheme. Invest India elected as the president of the World Association of Investment Promotion Agencies. Invest India elected as the president of the World Association of Investment Promotion Agencies for 21-23. Telangana sign an MOU with VEM Technologies for setting an integrated defense system. Telangana sign an MOU with VEM Technologies for setting up an integrated defense system. Indian Telegraph right of way rules, Ministry of Communication. Indian Telegraph right of way rules, Ministry of Telecommunication. RC Vasant Kumar Cricket Sports Association. RC Vasant Kumar Cricket Sports Association. Vasant Kumar Cricket Sports Association. Singapore set launch guidelines for renewable energy certificates. Singapore set launch guidelines for renewable energy certificates. India's first government-owned wildlife DNA testing lab, Nagpur, Maharashtra. India's first state government-owned wildlife DNA testing lab, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please forgive me for the pronunciation mistakes.